This is coalition warship. I am engaged in transit passage in accordance with international law. This is coalition warship. I am engaged in transit passage in accordance with international law. I intend no harm. Over. Surface contacts.
Yeah, record.
Inbound unidentified small surface contacts. Bearing 270 approximately 2 miles from coalition warships. You are approaching a coalition warship operating in international waters. Request you establish communications, identify yourself, and state your intentions. Over.
High-speed maneuvering craft bearing a 280 from harbor. Personnel inside each craft, one outboard engine. Over.
Yeah, we're conducting level 1 on bridge to bridge, flashing lights, and just starting down the house.
5 unidentified small surface contacts inbound coalition warships. You are approaching a coalition warship operating in international waters. Request to establish communications. Identify yourself and state your
Okay, they just turned.
Coming to you.
Inbound small craft. You are approaching a coalition warship operating in international waters. Your identity is not known. Your intentions are unclear. You are standing into danger and may be subject to defensive measures. Request you establish communications now or alter your course immediately to remain clear of it. Request you alter course immediately to remain clear.
You will explode after some minutes.
We will explode after a few minutes.